Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to keep text in cells. So as example, I will create text in here. You can type keep text in cell. Now if you want to resize the columns, you can click at this column twice. It will be automatically resize the text. But if you want to wrap this text, you can select the cells, right click and go to format cells. The next you can go to alignments and then check for wrap text. After it you can click OK. It will be wrap the text and keep text in a cell. You also can edit in the row in here like this, or you can double click to make it fit into your cells. Okay, another option, you can select again the cells, right click and go to format cells. After it, you can check for shrink to fit. Click OK and it will be automatically fit the text in cells. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to keep text in cells. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.